What do we know about how this deal fell apart?
Well, all of this stems from a radio interview the health minister gave yesterday morning, in which he revealed that Taiwan had been on the brink of securing 5 million doses of BioNTech vaccine. It had even gotten to the stage where all that was left to do was sign the deal. The minister said they had even written the press release ready for the announcement. But then, as the minister put it, outside forces intervened and the deal fell apart. He insisted, though, that the deal isn't totally dead, but is instead just pending. But it certainly looks like Taiwan isn't going to get its hands on the BioNTech vaccine anytime soon.
So what's the evidence out there that perhaps points to China's involvement here?
Well, Shanghai Fosun Pharmaceutical is the company that has the rights to develop and market BioNTech vaccine throughout mainland China, Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan. But then to avoid having to deal with a Chinese company due to the political sensitivities across the strait, the Taiwan government negotiated directly with BioNTech in Germany. And all of that went well until these, as the minister said, outside forces intervened. It was actually quite interesting. Like during the interview, the radio interview yesterday, the host repeatedly prompted the minister, was it China? Was it China behind this? And he didn't explicitly confirm it, but he certainly didn't deny it. And he absolutely had ample opportunity to do so.
So, Sam, where does that leave Taiwan? Of course, one of the big success stories of handling COVID-19 in terms of its vaccination plans.
Yeah, well, absolutely. As you say, Taiwan has been one of the success stories of the pandemic. So far there have been 9 deaths in total and fewer than 1,000 cases in total since the beginning of the pandemic. So Taiwan has managed to control the epidemic in Taiwan, at least. But securing access to vaccines, that's where Taiwan has kind of fallen down a little bit, or certainly lags the rest of the world. And so for months now, we've been waiting for the government to provide really concrete details of whatever vaccines it's been able to get. And, it has been slower than many other countries in securing access to those vaccines.